Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to tab via cable. In the beginning, make sure to install AutoLink app, enter it, and now go to settings on your tab. Go to smartphone, Android wired link and select AutoLink. Now plug the smartphone to the tab. Confirm, start now, and now you are casting the screen to the tab. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.